1. This 1964 Dodge Dart 270 convertible has undergone extensive customization to enhance both performance and style. Now powered by a 318-CU.IN OHV V8 engine, the vehicle features a number of upgrades, including a swapped 1978 and a quarter-inch rear axle, power front disc brakes, rear air shocks, aluminum wheels and dual exhaust. The automatic transmission is complemented by a B&M floor shifter, while GT trim elements have been added to refine its look. Recently repainted in a vibrant yellow, this convertible has a black vinyl interior that combines vintage charm with modern updates. The seller notes that the convertible top and carpet are brand new, while the cabin features modified door panels and aftermarket bucket seats. A distinctive pattern on the front seats sets them apart from the rear. The instrument panel houses a set of Equus gauges, and an aftermarket steering wheel and console enhance the sporty feel. A modern sound system has been installed, offering improved entertainment options. According to the seller, the body remains in excellent condition, free from rust, scratches, or damage. Despite its numerous enhancements, the vehicle has some minor imperfections, including broken dashboard grills and pitting on the deck lid trim. Listed for auction with a current bid of $5,500, the sale is scheduled to conclude on Tuesday, May 27th at 4:15 a.m. With 6 bids placed, the reserve has not yet been met. The car is located in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, 71909, and is being sold by a seller under the username GHB123. It has 6,340 miles on the odometer, TMU, and comes with a clean Tennessee title under the owner's name. This customized convertible offers a thrilling blend of classic appeal and upgraded mechanics. Whether cruising with a top down or making a bold statement at car meets, this 1964 Dodge Dart 270 convertible is sure to impress its next owner. 2. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe is a pro-street machine built for exhilarating performance. Powered by a 540-CU.IN OHV V8 engine, this Chevelle boasts 700 horsepower and a 12.4:1 compression ratio, making it a serious contender on the street and strip. The seller states that the car is street legal and in turnkey condition. Equipped with forged internals, a Holley 1050 Dominator carburetor, and an Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, the engine is built to run on 112-octane racing fuel. A performance-built Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission delivers power to a 12-bolt rear axle with 4.30 gears, ensuring strong acceleration. The cooling system includes a thick aluminum radiator and dual electric fans to maintain optimal temperatures. The exterior maintains a classic look, with SS trim and a fiberglass cowl induction hood, secured with Zeus fasteners. The red paintwork is in excellent shape, though the seller notes light scratches around the fasteners. The car rolls on 15-inch weld racing wheels, wrapped in new Mickey Thompson tires. Inside, the cabin blends classic Chevelle styling with race-inspired enhancements. The NHRA-certified 10-point mild steel roll cage replaces the rear seat, now occupied by wheel tubs and reinforced metalwork. Black vinyl racing seats, a TCI competition-style floor shifter, and autometer racing gauges contribute to the aggressive interior. The radio and heater have been deleted, focusing solely on performance. The suspension features QA1A arms up front, a ladder bar rear suspension, and coilovers at all corners for enhanced handling. Willwood front disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. With a current bid of $5,100 and the reserve not met, the auction is set to conclude on Tuesday, May 27th at 5 a.m. The vehicle is located in Fulton, New York, with 200 miles on the odometer, TMU, and is being sold on the proper document for ownership transfer. This tubbed and caged Pro Street Chevelle is a high-performance build ready to dominate both the street and strip, offering an adrenaline-fueled driving experience to its next owner. 3. This 1956 Ford Thunderbird convertible is described as an export model, originally shipped to France before being returned by a Canadian Forces member. According to the seller, the exterior underwent a full repaint, involving a bare metal strip, priming and refinishing, resulting in a presentable condition. The car is fitted with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, and comes with several desirable options, including power brakes, power windows and a power seat. Additionally, it was built with a metric speedometer and odometer. Equipped with a 312-CU.IN OHV V8, factory rated at 215 horsepower, the Thunderbird retains its standard Continental kit, which appears to be in good shape. The convertible soft top is non-original, but the two-tone black and white vinyl seating remains intact, showing no signs of rips or damage. The interior features a town and country AM radio, a well-preserved engine-turned dashboard, and clear, damage-free glass. Seat belts are installed at both riding positions, and the dashboard retains its full factory trim and controls. The trunk is clean, with a floor mat, and the bias-ply wide whitewall tires complement the vintage aesthetic. The wheel covers are also in very good condition. Photos documenting the Thunderbird's repaint will be provided, while an oil bath air cleaner has been converted to a dry unit. Minor imperfections have been noted, including a small paint blemish on the left rear bodywork, 2 touched-up paint areas, and some lifter noise, which the seller intends to address. The transmission occasionally hesitates during second-gear downshifts. With an odometer reading of 83,442 kilometers, the actual mileage remains unknown. The vehicle will be sold with both its factory hardtop and soft convertible top, offering versatility to its next owner. The current bid is $20,000, though the reserve has not yet been met. The auction will end on Tuesday, May 27th at 7 a.m., with the vehicle located in Wyndham Centre, Ontario, Canada. The seller, Rick Robinson, will transfer ownership through the proper Ontario documentation. This classic Thunderbird stands as an elegant, well-maintained early bird, making it an enticing opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike.